Hello, bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to place decals on dip powder nails. I used mostly Sparkling Co products, but feel free to substitute for your brand of choice. You will need the base liquid, stickers or decals of your choice. These are from Amazon, and I'm sticking mostly to the flowers on this sheet. A clear dip powder, the solidify or the hardening liquid of choice, and your top coat. You'll also be needing a file or an e-file and of course some tweezers to pick up the decals. Let's go ahead and get started. I already started off with 2 coats of DP91, which is Classy French Pink. You can use the paste of your choice. And I picked up these stickers with the tweezers. I like these because they're really fine tweezers. The tip is really pointy and they're pretty easy to pick up these stickers. The hardest part is actually having the sticker lay down flat on its own. So I use the back of the tweezers to remove any excess bubbles and to just make sure that the sticker is nice and flush. And I chose to mostly keep these around the free edge or the very tip of the nail. Just kind of wanted like a French tip design. That's what I was going for. And I also placed this cute little bird because it's blue and I thought it looked really cute, so I went ahead and placed that on there as well. Now you want to make sure that you remove any excess bubbles or any lifting. That way when you place your clear dip powder on top of it, it doesn't look extra bulky. And now it's time to encapsulate. So I went ahead and encapsulated as per usual with the base bond and then placing it right inside the clear dip powder. This is really helpful so that the stickers don't come off throughout the time that you're wearing them. So sometimes if we don't encapsulate and we just go straight with like a top coat or something, it can chip off or the sticker can come off. So the encapsulation makes sure that the stickers or the decals that you're using stay on for as long as you have your nails. So I'm going to fast forward through this process just because it's pretty self-explanatory. And then make sure to dust off any of your excess powder. And then I went in with the solidify to make sure that the nails get hard. And right after that, I went in with a file and an e-file around the cuticle to get them nice and smooth. Once all that is complete, it's time to finish up with the top coat. And I do 2 coats of top coat so that the nails come out super duper shiny. And here is the finished result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.